Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall the KB5063060 update from your Windows 11 PC. If this update is causing issues or you simply want to remove it, follow these steps exactly. First, click on your Start menu. Open Settings. Now head over to the Windows Update section on the left panel. In the Windows Update section, click on Update History. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on Uninstall Updates. Look through the list and locate KB5063060. Once you find it, click on it and select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Windows will now remove this update along with any related information. Once the update has been removed, make sure to restart your computer to complete the process. That's it. The KB5063060 update should now be completely uninstalled. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more quick Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.